Forest may look peaceful, but behind every timber beam and paper sheet is an industrial war between steel and nature. Forestry is not gentle work. It's a high-risk operation fought on steep slopes, deep mud, and unstable ground. Today's forestry machines don't just cut trees. They calculate terrain, balance on hillsides, and turn entire forests into mulch with surgical precision. Let's step inside the world where modern machines tame the wild. Dipperfox Stump Crusher 850 Pro. When a tree is cut down, the visible part is gone, but the real enemy remains underground. Stumps become hazards for machinery, breeding grounds for pests, and obstacles for construction or planting. Removing them is not easy. That's where the Dipperfox Stump Crusher 850 Pro enters with a mission that feels less like forestry and more like demolition. This hydraulic attachment is not a traditional grinder that slowly shaves wood into dust. Instead, it drills into the stump and crushes it from the inside, turning solid wood into loose debris buried underground. One operation takes roughly 20 seconds, faster than most machines take just to position themselves. Built to attach to excavators between 14 and 30 tons, it acts like a plug-and-play weapon. Lower it, drill, pulverize, move on. It doesn't extract the stump, it eliminates it. With hydraulic requirements that demand real muscle, the Dipperfox is proof that forestry doesn't end when the tree falls. It continues below the soil. Number 9. Rotten H8D. If brute force is one side of forestry, precision is the other. And few machines balance both like the Rotten H8D harvester. Designed for thinning operations rather than clear cutting, this machine works in crowded forest where one wrong move can destroy surrounding growth. Its pendulum arm technology allows it to keep itself balanced across steep and uneven ground, while still reaching into tight spaces with control that feels almost human. The harvester head uses 4 knives to strip branches smoothly from the trunk, while cutting the tree to exact lengths. It can even handle multiple trunks simultaneously, making it not just fast, but terrifyingly efficient. Powered by a strong diesel engine generating 168 horsepower, the H8D moves with confidence through terrain that would trap ordinary vehicles. Yet its fuel consumption stays impressively low for its output, proving that modern forestry isn't just about power, it's about efficiency. Number 8. Barco 240 Dangle Head. Built in collaboration with forestry professionals, the Barco 240 Dangle Head is a tracked harvester that doesn't tiptoe through forests, it dominates them. With a 220 horsepower engine and a 27-foot boom reach, this machine works on massive clear-cutting jobs where productivity means everything. The heavy-duty swing bearing allows unstoppable rotation strength, while dual swing motors generate absurd torque that makes hard wood surrender without negotiation. What truly separates this beast is its electro-hydraulic system, specially engineered for forestry work. Whether it's functioning as a feller buncher or a thinning machine, the Barco adapts instantly to the task and never hesitates. This is not a polite machine. It is pure logging authority. Number 7. TigerCat 724G, built for extreme output. High production sites don't accept weakness. That's where the TigerCat 724G becomes indispensable. This machine lives in forests where trees are thick, massive, and relentless. It fells large-diameter timber at high speeds using powerful saw systems and rapid recovery cycles that keep downtime close to zero. The heart of this monster is the FPT engine system, delivering both muscle and reliability under harsh working conditions. Optional emissions compliance upgrades ensure it remains legal across regions without sacrificing strength. Its weight distribution system keeps it balanced even on rough ground, and its compartmentalized layout shields critical components from dust, heat, and damage. A design born from experience, not theory. This isn't a machine designed for comfort, it's designed to make forests fall. Number 6. John Deere 959. Steep terrain is forestry's most dangerous game. Gravity is ruthless and even modern machines can't fight it alone. That's why the John Deere 959M relies on an old-school ally, steel cable. Winch-assisted logging uses anchoring cables attached to nearby objects or trees to keep machines from sliding down slopes. The John Deere 959M integrates this system directly into its operations. Operators can control the winch remotely while continuing their work, no interruptions. This allows logging operations in areas once considered impossible. Cliffs, deep inclines, mud-slick hillsides. The machine doesn't avoid them, it conquers them. Forestry didn't just advance technologically, it adapted. Number 5. TigerCat 480B Mulcher. Some machines cut trees. The TigerCat 480B erases entire landscapes. Designed for extreme land clearing and right-of-way operations, this machine does not negotiate with forests. It removes them with mechanical certainty. Trees, brush, roots, and stumps all meet the same fate as they disappear beneath its spinning drum, transformed into fine mulch in a matter of seconds. Its monstrous 480 horsepower engine delivers brute force with terrifying efficiency, allowing operators to flatten rugged terrain that would shatter conventional machines. More than just power, the 480B is built for endurance. Reinforced components, industrial cooling, and impact-resistant housings allow it to work continuously in the harshest environments. This machine doesn't simply reshape the land, it resets it. This isn't forestry, it is industrial destruction at full throttle. Number 4. Vermeer HG6800TX. If the TigerCat removes forest, the Vermeer HG6800TX devours their remains. This 950 horsepower horizontal grinder eats logs, stumps, and debris the way a furnace eats coal. Its duplex drum system extends durability while reducing maintenance downtime, meaning it keeps working long after other machines would collapse. The feed system is so powerful it can swallow entire trees whole. But safety is just as important here. The damage defense system automatically reverses the intake when metal objects are detected, protecting internal components from destruction. This machine doesn't just clean up forests, it processes them. Number 3. Poncy Bear. With 8 massive wheels and a crane capable of rotating 250 degrees, the Poncy Bear looks less like a forestry machine and more like a land-based combat vehicle. It is built for terrain that would terrify most heavy equipment. Steep slopes, deep ravines, wet ground, and unstable soil offer no resistance to this monster. Thanks to its integrated traction assist winch system, the bear can climb where others would slip and fall. What makes it truly impressive is not just its power, but its intelligence. The synchronization between its winch, transmission, and hydraulic system makes its movement smooth, controlled, and efficient. Despite its size, fuel consumption is carefully optimized, proving that brute force can coexist with clever engineering. When this machine rolls through the forest, it does not leave tracks, it leaves history behind. Number 2. Ecolog 688F. Designed for brutal landscapes and long working days, the Ecolog 688EF is the perfect blend of physical stability and modern intelligence. Its tilting chassis absorbs uneven ground like suspension on a rally car, while the operator cabin adjusts independently, keeping the driver level even when the terrain is not. This isn't comfort for luxury, it's comfort for survival. Power comes from a Volvo Penta engine built for constant load and long duty cycles, delivering torque exactly when the forest fights back. 8-wheel drive ensures the machine glides over mud, snow, and soft soil without sinking or slipping. The rotating cabin keeps visibility flawless in all directions, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity. This machine isn't just designed for forestry, it's engineered for war with nature. Number 1. Logset 12 HG-TE Hybrid. Last and legendary. The Logset 12 HG-TE Hybrid feels like it arrived from the future before the rest of the industry was ready. This is not just a harvester, it's a thinking machine. Its hybrid electric diesel system senses crane workload in real time and delivers power instantly when needed, eliminating engine lag and reducing fuel consumption. This means faster cycles, smoother movement, and less strain on internal components. Maintenance costs drop. Productivity rises. noise levels fall. Add in its brutal climbing strength and extreme traction capability, and you get a machine that feels untouchable. Where other harvesters survive, the Logset dominates. This is not the present. This is Forestry in 2035, running ahead of its time. If these machines amazed you, wait until you see what's coming next. The world of heavy engineering is only getting bigger, faster, and more extreme, and you don't want to miss it. If you enjoyed this journey into the giants of the forest, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you're always first to see the most powerful machines on Earth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.